foreign policy. It is stated in our Constitution that we should have an independent foreign policy. That do not lean to a foreign power, that do not favor US or do not favor China. Yan na lang ang example natin kasi yan naman ang reality natin. Yung gitgitan ng US at China. We already won in the arbitral award. We already have an award from that case that we filed with using the UN Convention on the Law of the Seas. Nanalo na tayo dyan. Alam na ng buong mundo na sinabi sa arbitral award sa Pilipinas yan. And therefore, the only thing that you need to do is force the recognition and the implementation of the award through diplomatic channels. Hindi yung kikilingan mo, tama ba ang Tagalog ma'am? Kikilingan mo ang isang foreign power, papapasukin mo ang mga missile ng foreign power sa bansa mo na alam mong kinaiinisan noong kalaban niya na wala ka namang kinalaman sa gitgitan nilang dalawa. That is not independent foreign policy. Yung problema natin sa West Philippine Sea do not make up our entire relations with China. And so therefore, there is no reason for you to lean towards the US. You have to always stay in the middle because you are not a part of the bigger conflicts. You always stay in the middle. You are friends with US? Yes. You are friends with China? Yes. And why not? Diba? And we are friends with Australia. We have very good bilateral relations with Australia. In fact, we want to take it to the next level and forge stronger ties with Australia. And not just Australia, with other countries as well. So, I do not understand why is our independent foreign policy lost in the discussions. Dapat niyan, kaibigan mo lahat. Huwag kang kumampi. Dahil hindi mo naman problema ang problema nila. Hindi mo naman away ang away nung isa. Saan mo gagamitin yung missile? Sino ang gigira sa Pilipinas? Diba? Dapat yan, balanse lagi. Yung foreign policy.